Hi you guys, in today's video I am sharing with you 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners your whole family will love. I love sharing with you all of our meals that we're having, so make sure you click subscribe if you're new to my channel. I've got a bunch of good stuff cooking up this week, so let's get cooking. I'm gonna do a crockpot meal, which you guys know I absolutely love crockpot meals. So this is a chicken fajita in the crockpot. It's so delicious. So I have 2 chicken breasts. I have my green bell pepper and orange bell pepper. You can use whichever colors you like. I'm going to do half of a sliced up onion. I'm adding in a drizzle of olive oil. And then I have just this canister of fajita seasoning. So whichever fajita seasoning you like, and add as much in as you'd like as well. We love fajita flavorings. So mix that up really well so that the olive oil and the seasonings are coated with the chicken and the peppers and the onion. And I'm going to put it in my crock pot on low. So I have it on low for 8 hours, but I'm going to take this out at about 6 hours so that the chicken doesn't get too dry. I have some rice and some black beans. This is such a good dinner. And as you know, I love my crock pot, so this dinner was just easy and delicious. I'm going to be doing some ground beef. So I'm browning 1 pound of ground beef, and I'm going to do a kind of like a scramble. I do ground beef and add in a veggie and a rice. So I have my ground beef. I'm going to drain. I'm going to get rid of all the greasy fat after cooking. So I'm just using my paper towel with my little meat masher. I love my meat masher. This one is from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box because I just absolutely love this thing. Before I had it, I'm not sure really what I did when I cooked ground beef and ground turkey, but just using that to mop up the grease. It's going to take a couple paper towels. This is kind of greasy. But once I have all of the grease out, I will add in, I have some cooked white rice, and I'm going to use zucchini for the veggie this week. So I will cook the zucchini up and then add everything together and scramble it all, mix it all up, and this is really, really yummy. So add in your favorite seasonings. I just do a little bit of seasoning salt and a little bit of garlic powder with my olive oil and my zucchini. So whatever your preference is for seasoning on your veggies, just add in what you like. So I'm going to give this a stir, coat the zucchini and all the seasonings, and cook it for, zucchini does not take very long. It only takes a few minutes. Give it a stir and then a few more minutes and you're ready to go. So I have my cooked ground beef and I have my cooked white rice. This is about 2 cups of rice. I made it last night, and so this is our leftovers. So it's about 2 cups of white rice. I'm just gonna mix everything together and give it a good stir. And you can add in, you don't have to, but I add in this kind of teriyaki type sauce. Really good, this katsu sauce. It's delicious. I also have a P.F. Chang's little teriyaki sauce that I love. Really good with this combination with the rice and the ground beef. So I'm going to give this all a stir, and this is so, so yummy. I love this one. I'm going to add on some little sesame seeds on top. I just love adding sesame seeds onto like Asian type dishes with this sauce. It's so good. So I'm doing the crock pot again. I have 2 chicken breasts that I've diced up, and I've been dicing up my chicken breast. I feel like it keeps it more moist and all of it can get into the sauces. So I always dice it up. I have a can of cream of chicken. This is going to be an onion soup chicken, and I have a packet of Lipton onion soup mix. I'm going to do 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to pour it into everything else. So all of these are just super easy. Like, this is a dump and go crock pot meal, which I just love anything that's dump and go. So easy. So I am going to cook this on low. Again, all my chicken dishes I cook on low for about 6 hours, 5 hours to 6 hours. So this gravy is so, so good. I just love gravy on like rice and veggies. So this chicken, it turned out absolutely delicious. So I have my broccoli, rice, gonna put lots of gravy on, and then I have some of these French fried onions. Oh my gosh, these things have so much flavor. I love them. I don't cook with them very often unless it's like Thanksgiving on top of green bean casseroles, but definitely love it. So good. So I'm gonna do some more chicken in the crock pot. As you know, I just love prepping things. So I prep my chicken by dicing it up and putting it in containers. And so it's ready to go for any kind of quick crockpot meal. But this is going to be an Italian chicken. So I just have this Italian dressing. You can use your favorite Italian dressing. But this is super duper easy. So just dump in the dressing on the chicken. This is going to cook for 5 to 6 hours on low. And then you can serve it with rice or pasta, veggies as well. So I'm going to cook up some rice and zucchini once that is done. So I have my rice. I do 1 cup of white rice and then 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, I will take the heat down to low, put the lid on and let it simmer. Usually takes about 20 minutes or so. So this is just, we love rice. We have a ton of rice in our house. So I have some 2 zucchinis that I have diced up. I like to dice them in these kind of small bite-sized pieces. But I have some seasonings as well as olive oil. And I'm just going to toss all that together, coat it all, and cook the zucchini up. We just love zucchini. It's one of our favorites. We love broccoli, but zucchini is right up there with our favorite veggie. So super quick and easy. Love it. So the chicken in the crock pot is all done and it is just cooked perfectly. I love how chicken comes out. You definitely don't want to overcook it. It will become dry. So definitely keep it on low, 5 to 6 hours, and you will be good. But anything over that, I've noticed that it does tend to get a little bit dry. But these sauces definitely keep it nice and moist as well. So you can add some sauce on the rice and veggies if you'd like. It's really good. I do lots of sheet pan meals, so I'm doing this sausage. It's a smoked sausage. And then I have a zucchini and a squash. Really easy. My kids love sausage, so this is definitely one that they really like. And like I said, we love zucchini in our house, so we do lots and lots of zucchini. So I'm just dicing this up into some like smaller pieces. You can kind of dice it however you'd like, but I kind of like doing it at the diagonal angle. And then I'm going to dice up my zucchini as well as my squash, and then add on some seasonings and cook this in my oven. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees, so I will cook this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, and dinner is ready to go. I love sheet pan meals. They're easy to clean up, everything on the sheet pan, and you're ready to go. So definitely love sheet pan meals, and this one is one of our favorites. I hope you enjoyed these dinner ideas, what we had this week. Hope you have a really great day. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.